cells mo. Okay? What is the intermediate host? Ano yung intermediate host natin? Hogs, rats, pigs. Okay. So dito class sa ating mga intermediate host, there is already an encysted larva in their muscle. Itandaan yan ha. And of course, how will it infect human? It will be ingested. Okay? Ingestion of undercooked meat. Yan, sa ating mga pigs. So of course, it will go inside the stomach of our human host. So dito class, okay, sa small intestine, the larva, the ingested larva will now progress or will mature into an adult male or female. Okay, dito siya. So once na nagkaroon ng adult male or female dyan, of course, it will now produce a larva. Okay? And then this larva will be deposited on the mucosa of our small intestine. Ayan. So itong larva na to, hindi pa siya encysted ha. It is still an unencysted larva. Magiging encysted lang ito if it goes now to the muscle, skeletal muscle. Okay, and it will be deposited there. Gaano katagal? It can encysted 5 to 10 years in the muscle. Okay, kaya siya nagiging diagnostic stage. So, pag nakakita kayo ng encysted na larva, malamang, okay, baka matagal na yan. So, dapat, ang ginagawa dito, hindi kayo kumakain ng hogs, hindi kayo kumakain ng rat. Okay, at pag ano na ata kayo, kumain, dapat yung kinakain yung pork, okay, malinis yan, lutong-luto. Ganyan din, maraming pa tayong mapag-usapan ng kinakain nyo. Mamaya, may isda pa. Okay? So, this encysted larva will calcify. Okay? It will calcify inside of the muscle. So, tatagal talaga ito. Malay mo, hindi nyo alam. May nakalsify na pala na Trichinella spiralis sa inyo. Kasi minimum ang 5 to 10 years. Minimum food class. So if you want to read again this life cycle, puntahan nyo lang sa CDC. Actually, nandun lahat ng life cycle na parasites natin sa CDC. Or puntahan nyo si ZD. Okay? So we have here the pathogenesis and clinical manifestation. So, merong mga stages to once you're infected with your Trichinella spiralis. We have